Hat.
Hat. He wore a straw hat to the beach.
Cap.
Cap. She put on a baseball cap before going out.
Headband.
Headband. The headband kept her hair out of her face.
Hair clip.
Hair clip. She secured her hair with a hair clip.
Hair tie.
Hair tie. She used a hair tie to make a ponytail.
Scarf.
Scarf. He wrapped a warm scarf around his neck.
Necklace.
Necklace. She received a gold necklace for her birthday.
Tie.
Tie. He wore a red tie to the meeting.
Bow tie.
Bow tie. He looked elegant in his black bow tie.
Gloves.
Gloves. He put on leather gloves before going outside.
Bracelet.
Bracelet. She wore a silver bracelet on her wrist.
Watch.
Watch. His new watch has a leather strap.
Ring.
Ring. She showed off her engagement ring.
Handbag.
Handbag. She carried a stylish handbag to the party.
Belt.
Belt. He wore a black leather belt with his jeans.
Suspenders.
Suspenders. His suspenders kept his trousers up.
Fanny pack.
Fanny pack. She carried her phone in a fanny pack.
Socks.
Socks. He wore wool socks to keep warm.
Stockings.
Stockings. She wore black stockings with her dress.
Anklet.
Anklet. She had a small anklet with charms.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. He put on his sunglasses on a sunny day.
Glasses.
Glasses. She needs glasses to read.
Earrings.
Earrings. Her earrings sparkled in the sunlight.
Cufflinks.
Cufflinks. His cufflinks matched his suit.
Brooch.
Brooch. She pinned a floral brooch to her coat.